Let's play in the shed. I started earlier with filling a large hole made by a groundhog under the back wall. I filled the hole with dirt, then laid out some chicken wire to detour him from coming back. Later I will do the same on the outside. Let's get some gravel. Here we go. Recycled gravel from the front of the garage. Fucking idiots have been dumping gravel in front of it until the floor was lower than the driveway. It was flooding every time it rained. There is so much extra gravel out here. I think I am going to need to regrade the whole thing, which is fine, I guess. I would like to level the area on the sides of the garage for additional parking and trailer storage. With the property being a drainage hole, I'm probably going to build retaining walls to hold everything in place. Fucking hole. And fucking idiots. I swear there is something in the water making people fucking stupid here. Fucking Indiana. I think it's about time I build a door for the shed. I haven't decided on a single or double door, though. Fuck's sake, there is so much more to do before I build a fucking door. I'm gonna need to dig up a shit ton of fucking tree stumps with the boomer mobile over there. See that? Leaves from ugly old oak trees. Fucking trees. Gots to go. That's right, Big Daddy is gonna hit it from the side. If you are interested in some bucket truck content, you are going to want to fuck right off now. It's hard to figure out how that thing is a bigger turd as a truck or a bucket. Fucking great. Gramps mixed up his medication again. Oh no honey, if it itches like that, it means you need to wipe better. Yeah, you are going to want to throw them panties away. Check out my store and shop for the latest styles of crooked panties by me, the Crooked Painter. My links are on my channel page. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bitch, why you still dancing? The music is over. Do you have sand in your crack or something?